Right. So next is now I wanted to show you all the parameters whatever we have defined. So posting period variant, define close or open posting period we have seen. Field status variant, right, I'll change that also and I'll show you. Just give me a second.
Yeah.
See, whenever we are posting an accounting entry here, right, you are able to, here you can use F4 and F2. Say office rent 400, 302 telephone expenses. See, system is asking you business area, text, right?
Yeah.
Now, if you make changes,
Before that, I want to know, how will we know that this particular number belongs to this account? How will we remember all these things?
you don't remember, pick up GL account from here, right? You remember only, see, for example, if you go to a end user, right, he will tell you,
Yeah.
because regularly you are using, you'll remember. Otherwise, you need not
Okay.
remember, say pick up from this list.
Okay.
Right, because I'm using regularly, I remember. And if you go to a company end user, right, he'll remember everything. And also people will be users will be taking they'll take a printout of the jail accounts and they'll paste it in front of them, or otherwise just only pick it up whatever the regularly jail account that he'll be using, right, he'll remember. So
Yeah.
field status group, right, OBC4 is the T code. So even the T codes, if you work regularly, you remember. But I want to tell you both T code and also path. Right. See, T codes, there is no mandatory requirement to remember. But the thing is, if you remember T codes, fields, right? When you go for an interview, interviewer generally they speak in terms of T codes. And they say, see, in OBC4, what are the field status group that you find? If he is going to ask you, first of all, you have to think. Instead of the question, you'll be thinking about what is the T code. So unless you remember the T code, you cannot answer that question. So interviewer intelligently ask like that, whether you are aware of the T codes or not. Even in SAP certification exam, some complicated T codes they will ask. Right, define field status variant. So here in the field status variant, and when you go through the path, you cannot see the T code here. If you go through the T code directly, you can see that. See, in fact, this is the question I have asked the technical people also. See, OBC4. See, here you can see OBC4. Or if you want to activate the T codes here, additional information, display key, IMG activity. You activate, you can see the T codes there. So when I ask the technical people, they say that is only technical was. Let us don't bother about this. The people told me, right? OBC4. See here, what we have done. DRLF is the not DRLS. See DRFS. This is for DRL group we have created anyway, right? DRFS. Dr. D Lab Field Status Group. Select this. In general G001, we made general data. Right, I'm removing this now. I'm making it optional. Additional account assignments. Business area, I'm making it optional. Save it. So here, these fields will disappear now. Not disappear, rather. $403.02. See, now, no, it is not mandatory. Sorry, this one. See, business area field itself gone. Of course, it will be available. Yeah. Say, for example, if I want to post an entry, if I want to take business area, I have to write business area here.
Okay. Okay.
Say DRH5.
Then it will be stored.
Yeah. Okay, so we can remove like that. So just I'm checking whether all the parameters that we have defined, whether we have seen that operation or not. Define document type and number ranges. So this also we have seen number ranges system. If you want to see the document, particular document, right, T code is OBA7. It'll show you the documents here. And here I want to tell you one thing. Document types are client level. Client level, company code level. So client level means, see, the client number is 800 here. So whatever the company code that are there in this client, right, all the company codes will be using the same document types. Right, this is a common facility available to all these company codes. So that's why we call it as client level. See, SCA is the document. Double click on this SCA01, number range, company code, TRLB. See, now up to 8 documents we have posted. System is showing current number 8. So it is picking up the number from 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. From here it is picking up. Right. Okay. And what are the other things? Tolerance group also we have seen. Right. A system did not accept more than 5. For AFM, we have created for DRL company code 10 lakhs and system accepted up to 10. Okay, tax procedure, it will not have any impact for the time being. So like this, whatever the thing that we have created, April, yeah, this is also we have seen. Okay, this there is no proof, but it works accordingly. Define company code. So like this, whatever the steps that we have defined, every step has got a meaning in it. The purpose is there. Okay, now we are looking at the document parking and the document holding. See here, what happens when an accountant, see generally one accounts officer will be there, and say example 3 to 4 accountants are there. Each and every accountant will be given responsibility on one functionality. One person will be making payments for all the regular day-to-day expenses. Another person will be establishment charges will be paid. Establishment charges means employee related expenses will be paid, processed by one person. Day-to-day administrative expenses will be processed by one person, and vendor bills will be paid by one person, and ER bills will be paid by one person. Like that, say 4 accountants are there, one accounts officer is there, and accounts officer is responsible for final. And all these accountants are, say for example, he is posting accounting entry. One accountant posting accounting entry, telephone expenses account data to bank. But accountant, he is able to prepare a document, but he will not be allowed to post into GL account, because unless that has been verified, right, it should not be posted to GL account. As per the Indian, not only Indian, international auditing standards, every document must and should be verified. Financial document should be verified by more than one person. It should be prepared by one person, and other document, so that same document should be verified by another person, and prepared, verified, and authorized sometimes. At least minimum prepared by one person, and authorized and posted by another person it should be. Even if you look at the manual documents, you'll find like that, prepared by somebody, verified and posted by somebody. So like that, even here, every document we can make it in such a way that accountant prepares the document and his superior officer, rather one employee prepares the document and he saves it, and other superior officer, he will look at the document, verify, and then he posts. So this is the requirement. This theory also I have given in the notes, right? You can go through that. So the same thing has been provided in SAP. Now say for example accountant, right? Accountant will be given user ID password, and for him only one transaction code will be given authorization. That is called F-65 or FE50L Park GL document. Right, for the ledger group is one, and edit or Park GL document. See, this is for new GL, this is for ordinary GL. FE50 edit or Park GL document, and here F-65, both FB50 and F-02 both are same, but here multi-line items, here is single line items. Right, even here also you can post single, here also you can post multi-line items, of course. Right, F-65. So here once the accountant is given authorization for F-65, he can access only F-65. And if he tries to post in F-02, system says, sorry, you are not authorized. Right. So say for example, now for me, okay, since we are in the process of practice, and that we are in the practice client 800, and we can access of course all. Now F-65, double click on this for document parking. And but before we park a document, we need to create some number range. Number range in the sense, because as soon as we post an accounting entry in F-02, it will post. But for parking, right, so what I will do is, see, go to F-65, say 29th. System takes the same number range, of course. Say this is 400, 301. Office rent 19,500. Just I'm taking here as test for document parking. Right, 50 is the posting key. Bank account 200,405. $19,500 for you. Right, so is shown like this. Right, here if you keep here, see park document. Right, it is asking us to park it. Okay, see park document. Previously, if you go to F-02, it will show you as post, but here it is park. Now save it. Right, document number 9 in DRF was parked. Previously, when you go to F-02 and post it, it will say document number so and so was posted. Now in parking, it is taking document number 9 continuation document. I'll post one more document. 400, 302. Same 50. Bank account 200, 405. 5,500. Just second document I'm posting. See, document number 10 was parked. So 9 and 10 were in parking. So now as soon as an entry is posted like this, in real scenario, our technical people, what they make, accountant, accountant will be posting, and the accounts officer, for him, on the right side corner, he'll get a message, document number 9 parked by so and so person, document number 10 parked by so and so person. If he is in front of the system, he'll go to the parked document list and he'll post it. Otherwise, if he is in a meeting somewhere, he is outside, he is not there, and he'll come and he want to see, okay, where are the park documents that are parked, right? He'll go to document, parked documents, right? Post or delete, change, right? Display, all these things can be seen. Now let us go to FBV0, post oblique delete, right? I don't know here what are the documents that have been parked. Don't enter any document number. Click on document list. Okay, so 9 and 10 documents were parked. So the superior officer will go to this list and check. But just like if you open your Yahoo Messenger or Skype, etc., right, you can see some small information coming to you, right? So and so person logged in, yeah, so logged out, like that. Even in SAP, we arrange like that, and that information will come. Right now, I want to say, for example, document number 9. This I want to post it. If I want to make any changes, I can change. Say double click on this, because I'm a superior officer, I will have that authorization. So Acha, what he will do is generally the bills, whatever accountant gets, whether telephone bills or any bill, right? On the top of the bill, he passes the entry. On the top of the bill, he will write the whatever the number that is generated in SAP, and he'll throw it in the outside this one, and those bills will be sent it to the accounts officer. So accounts officer take that bill and say, for example, instead of 20,000, the accountant has entered by mistake 19,500. So I'll make 20,000. And I can save it. Now see, if I keep the cursor here, it is coming as post for me. Post. So, okay, I think there's a small this thing. Because first time we are accessing, some mistake is being generated here. See, document number 9 was posted in company code. So don't worry, sometimes you may get that error message. See, because these servers, people are not installing these things. They simply, there is a method in installation of SAP. All these institutes and the server providers, they will not formally install as we do in case of companies. Actually, the installation will take minimum 2 to 3 days, the perfect installation. But here, these people will be doing it in 4 to 5 hours. They'll do it. So there will be a ghost image, right? There's a separate software for that. What they do, SAP installation, they'll just copy and paste it. So that itself is their installation. So that's the reason sometimes we may get errors. So now, say second time we got it. So document number was posted, 9 was posted. Come back. Now see the document list. Now only 10 is available. So 9 is posted. Double click on this. See, I feel that already telephone bill posted. Accountant by mistake, he has posted second entry. No, I don't want to post it. I want to delete it. Right, I can delete it. Because I've seen already, right, this is posted. Delete. Go to menu path, document, delete. Data will be lost. It will caution you. Delete the parked document? Yes, without any hesitation. Right. Parker document deleted. Now come out. Right. So like these Parker documents can be posted and deleted. If you go to FB03 display, 9 is there. There is the changed document. We made it 20,000. If you look at the document number 10, it will not have anything. Right, blank. But this 10th document will not be used by the system. Right, it is here clearly it is indicated. Right, entered by both are entered by me only. See Z Parker document which was deleted. Document status. So document trail was say audit trail will appear, means document they'll find that some document was there in 10 but that has been deleted. If you want to see the document line items you cannot see. Right, but only document number can be seen and it will show you who has parked and who has deleted. Since both of them done by me, system shows my name here. And if you post next document and system will post the 11th document. Right, that is called posting. Parking of a document. Now there is one more concept called document document holding. So that means temporarily we can hold a document. So parking is the system has provided the facility to park a document for the purpose of authorization, because one person has to prepare the document, another person will be given authorization to post it. So document will be verified twice in that way. In case of companies, every document will be parked and his superior officer will be posting. Right, in 99.9% of the cases. Without that, internal audit team will make an objection, right, and again that will be given. So that facility has to be followed. And when coming to the document hold, right, document holding. See, document holding is nothing but, see, I want to post a document. In case of document entry, I'm posting a document and I want to discuss with my boss because some complications are there and my boss is not available immediately. So I don't want to keep it pending. If I'm posting in F-02, let me post one accounting entry, like say for example 400 303 office maintenance, right, 2200. Right, this is test for document holding. 50 bank account 200 405 is my bank account. Right, so once document is over, see, if I save it, it will be posted, but I want to keep the document on hold. Go to document hold. But first time if you are doing, system will ask you to run a small program. Let me check. Documents must be converted. If you are doing in the server first time, it will ask you some information. Let me check that, because the server is given to us. So procedure, right, held documents must be converted. So there's a program, I need to run it, copy, go to SE38. In fact, this is a small ABAP program, SE38.
Oh.
RFTM PBLU is the program name. Execute. Held document successfully converted. Again come back to your this one. Again go to document hold. Then it will ask you a temporary document number. So temporary document number I have to give. So temporary document number 1, hold document. So because I don't want to keep the documents pending, right, around I have to enter say around 40 or 50 documents. So in the order I want to post it. So that's why I can keep it as held document, and same one more document I want to post. 400 304. It's some amount I'm writing. 50. Document hold. Right? If you say again give document number 1, system says that another document already exists with number. So that's why I cannot. So give 2, hold the document. Document number 2 was held. Right? So 2 documents I kept on hold. That is temporarily I kept on hold. Once my boss comes, I discuss with him, they got clarified and I want to post it. Again go to F-02, see held document. Go to held document. It will take us to FB11 T code. You can give temporary document number. I don't remember the document number because there are 100, half a dozen are there. So in such case, go to document list. Right, document number 1 and 2. Double click on document number 1. Right, and if any changes are there, you can make changes. Double click on the document. You can change the amount, everything you can change it. Right, everything is okay. I'll say save it, post. Document 11 was posted. 10th document, parked document deleted. That's why 10th number will not be taken. 11 document system has taken. Right? Come back. Again document list. First document is gone. The second document is there. Right? I feel that this document is not required. My boss told me remove this document, not required. Right? What you do? Keep the cursor here. Choose delete. Document number 2 will be deleted. Yes. Yes. Right, now document list, nothing is there. So in case of held documents or document keeping on hold, if you delete the document, there will not be any traces of the document because there is a temporarily held by me, right, held by me. So that's why in case of parking, if once it is parked, it will go to the parked documents list. But if the temporarily document is kept on hold, right, so held documents, once you delete it, you cannot find even traces, right? That's why, so there is no botheration for that. And these are the 2 facilities given. See, like this, so many facilities are given in SAP. Whether to use it or not, that is up to the user, right? But we'll discuss all these facilities one by one. So let us stop here today. Any doubts on this?
No.